Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. If you like this item, all you got to do is add it to your cart, check out really fast, and continue back to shop. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And here we go. This is coming from Polar Sleep. These are so comfortable, guys, especially in a time like this. Everyone's staying home, relaxing. Definitely needed a break. So here we are. Polar Sleep. Coming from, this is a mile mount memory foam pillow. Standard size. Here's all the good stuff. Memory foam. Breathable. Health. 2.9 pounds. Alright, now let's see what it looks like. Here we go. Bada boom. Bada boom. Drop you guys down. Here we go. Ooh. Look at that pillow. Super soft though. Be a nice housewarming gift, Christmas gift coming up. Birthdays, you name it. Perfect size pillow. Super soft. Comes in a plastic bag and then it folds out. Give it a few seconds and it'll stay in this form. So, really nice memory foam pillow. So, like I said, stock up right now. You can before these sell out. So, there's the bottom. Here's the size. You got the zipper. Washing. All you gotta do is take a rag, wipe it down, air dry it. Do not put it in the dryer, and do not put it in the washer. So those are the steps. Really nice, comfortable pillow. As you can see, put the thunder down. There we go. Bam. Yeah, super soft though. Definitely get a good night sleep or take a nap with it. Take it down the road once we get going again. So can't beat it for the price. I think it's under 40. I might be wrong, but double check it. Click the link and see what other kinds they have. So there you go. Pretty cool. There you go. Alright, YouTubers. That is coming from Polar Sleep. Mile Mount Memory Foam Standard Size Pillow. You guys be safe. Have a good day. Stay home. And see you guys soon.